Alright, so this is the toolbox. Got the speakers. They do work. The radio is hidden there. It's like this flat. Let's see how loud it will get.
A lot of dudes in my city, they ain't saying nothing. A lot of records from here, they get no play. And these niggas don't give advances, so you get no pay.
It gets pretty loud. Loud enough to annoy a bunch of people. All the drawers work. You can actually fit some crap in there too. They all work. All pretty smooth. Oh, also got all the user manuals for it right there, and then there's a big old cover as you saw in the pictures right there. It's also got a surge protector on the side of the box all the way down there. It's got what, 1, 2, 4 outlets on it, and that's about it. Both the all the locks work. There's a lock right there and there's a lock right there. They all work. All the drawers stay closed, stay locked. None of them open. There's a compartment up here. I don't know what it's for. I just put the remote for the radio controller, for the radio in it. That's it. Nothing special.